In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format text into headings in Google Docs. Mastering this skill can greatly enhance the readability and organization of your documents, whether you're drafting a report, writing an essay, or simply creating a structured outline. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your Google Docs file. This should already be saved in your Google Drive, so go ahead and locate the document you're working on. Once you're in the document, it's time to identify the section of text you want to transform into a heading. This could be something like a chapter title, a new section starting in your report, or any part of your document that needs to stand out. Click and drag your mouse over this section of text to highlight it. Make sure you've got the entire portion you want to change selected, ensuring that nothing critical is left out or inadvertently included. With your text highlighted, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of your screen. This area houses a variety of options that we'll explore today. Among these, there's a drop-down menu, usually showing normal text. This menu is your gateway to changing how your text is formatted, and it's quite crucial for our task at hand. Click on it to reveal a series of text style alternatives. Within this drop-down menu, you'll find options for different heading styles. These range from Heading 1, which is typically the largest and most prominent style, to Heading 2 and Heading 3, which are smaller in size and often used for subheadings or lower-tier topics. Choose the heading style that best suits the section of your document you're working with. If this section is a primary title, you might go with Heading 1. For subsections, Heading 2 or Heading 3 might work better. Select your desired heading style with a click and watch your text transform accordingly. As soon as you select your style, the section you highlighted will instantly appear with the new heading format, giving it a bold and clearly differentiated look. This change not only makes your document look more professional, but also helps readers navigate through the content with ease, distinguishing sections at a glance. And there you have it, a systematic and effective way to use headings in Google Docs to organize and enhance your documents. By incorporating these steps, you'll be well equipped to make any Google Doc more structured and reader-friendly. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on leveraging digital tools to improve your productivity. Happy writing!